Number 35. To make 5 dozen cookies, I need, first of all, what's 5 dozen cookies? A dozen cookies is 12, so 5 times 12, 60 cookies. Okay, so to make 5 dozen cookies, or 60 cookies, I need 3 cups of flour, so 3 flour, and I need 2 cups of butter, 2 butter, and I need 2.5 cups of sugar, so 2.5 sugar, and I need 3 eggs. Okay. How many cookies can I make? If I have, okay, what do I have now? 9 cups of flour, so instead of 3 I have 9. 3 cups of butter, so instead of 2 I have 3. 5 sugar, instead of 2.5 I have 5. And 6 eggs instead of 3. Now, here's what we do when we have a question like this. We list them under each other like I did, and then we see, to get from each one to the other, what do we need to do? Okay, now, to go from 3 to 6, we need to multiply by 2. To go from 2.5 to 5, we need to multiply by 2. To go from 2 to 3, we need to multiply by 1.5. To go from 3 to 9, we multiply by 3. Then I look at the smallest number that I've multiplied by, and this is the ratio that I can use, or this is the number that I can multiply the total number of cookies in the beginning by. Why? Because having double the amount of eggs, or double the number of eggs, or double the amount of sugar, or triple the amount of flour won't do any good, because I only have 1.5 times of butter, and I need to stick to the recipe. So I can only do 1.5 times the original 60 cookies, which will give me 90 cookies. Therefore, the answer will be C. Number 36. If it is now 3 p.m., what time will it be 1,000 hours from now? Okay. First of all, 1,000 is a very big number, so that's many days. So the first thing I do is divide 1,000 hours by 24 hours to get how many days. Okay? So we do 24 with 100 first. 4 times 24, because 5 times 25, 4 times 25 is 100, so that's really close. 4 times 20 is 80, 4 times 4 is 16, so 96. Subtract, you get 4. Get a 0, 40. Now, can we do 2 times 24? No, we can't, but we can do 1. 1 times 24, 24, so that will give you 16. What is the answer? It's 41 24 hours, 41 groups of 24 hours, and 16 over 24 of a 24 hours. What does that mean? 41 24 hours is basically 41 days, because a day is 24 hours. And 16 over 24 is 16 over 24 of a day. So 16 over 24 times 24 hours. So it's just 16 hours. How do I get that? 16 over 24 times, because we're talking here now in days or in 24 hours, so times 24 hours, they cancel out, giving you 16 hours, right? Because this is 16 over 24th of a day. Okay, after 41 days, exactly, it's still going to be 3 p.m. So it doesn't matter. Then we're going to add to it the 16 hours, okay? Now, when you add 12 hours, it's going to be 3 a.m. So after 12 hours, it's 3 a.m. Now add 4 more hours, because we originally had 16. It is now 7 a.m. So the answer is D.